In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Monday.com with Jira, bringing together the best of project management and issue tracking. This integration is a fantastic way to enhance your team's productivity, allowing you to manage tasks in Monday.com and track issues in Jira without constantly switching between the two. Whether you're a project manager looking to streamline workflows or a team member eager to reduce administrative overhead, this guide is for you. First, let's start with the basics. Navigate your way to the home page of Monday.com. This is your command center where you can access all your boards, dashboards, and everything else you need to manage your projects efficiently. Once you've landed on the home page, look for the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. For this task, we're interested in the automations option. The automations feature in Monday.com is a powerful tool that allows you to set up if this then that rules, which can automate routine tasks and optimize your workflow. After selecting automations, you'll be presented with a wide array of automation options. But for our purpose today, head to the search bar and type in Jira. This will filter out the irrelevant options and bring up everything related to Jira integration. Once you have the Jira options on screen, click on the Jira tile. This will take you to the specific integrations available between Monday.com and Jira. Here you'll find different templates showcasing various automation flows between Monday.com and Jira. These templates are designed to cover the most common use cases, but they're also customizable, allowing you to tailor them to your team's specific needs. Take your time to explore these options and choose the template that best aligns with your requirements. Upon selecting your preferred template, click on Use Template. This action prompts you to connect the integration to a specific board within your Monday.com account. Boards in Monday.com are versatile and can represent projects, workflows, or even specific tasks. Select the board you wish to integrate with Jira. It's crucial to choose a board that will benefit most from the integration, enhancing your project management process. Next, you'll need to connect your Jira account to Monday.com. This step is straightforward, but essential for the integration to work. Click on the Connect button, and you'll likely be asked to log into your Jira account if you're not already logged in. Follow the prompts to authorize Monday.com to access your Jira account. This authorization allows Monday.com to send information to Jira and vice versa, ensuring that your workflow is synced across both platforms. Once you've successfully connected your Jira account, the integration is almost ready to go. But before you start working seamlessly with Monday.com and Jira, it's a good idea to test the integration to ensure everything is set up correctly. You might want to create a test task or issue to see how it appears across both platforms. This testing phase is crucial for identifying any potential hiccups early on, ensuring a smooth integration process. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Monday.com with Jira. This powerful combination will help you manage projects more effectively, track issues in real time, and improve overall team collaboration. Remember, the key to maximizing the benefits of this integration lies in customizing it to fit your team's specific needs. Explore different automation templates, tweak the settings as needed, and don't hesitate to refine the integration as your project evolves. Integration like this is all about making your workflow smoother and helping you focus on what's important. With Monday.com and Jira working hand in hand, you're well on your way to achieving just that. Thank you for watching, and here's to your project management success.